Hello friends, Matthew Deary checking in today with what I hope will be the shortest video on this channel to date, a hack for those with beards who like to have a clean neckline. So I've had a beard for about 9 years now. I don't care. So one of the things that I like to have is a clean neckline down here, which I use a razor to create this line. And one of the things I've noticed often is that you have a lot of short stubble hairs that just will not come off when you're using a towel or a rag or even water to clean it up. And so in my years of annoyance, I figured out an easy way to remove those unwanted hairs without having to take a shower or sit there and pick at your neck. And it's quite simple. A lint roller.
Shut up!
Yes, a lint roller. It works really, really well to get those difficult hairs that just will not come off your neck.
You're a genius!
So let me take you through the process of how I clean up my neckline. The first thing I do is I put my blade under some warm water, so when it comes in contact with my skin, there's not a ton of friction. And yes, I know there's shave gel, but over the years, I've noticed that I really don't need shave gel to just clean up this neckline. And when I'm done with the shave, I use a dry rag or towel to clean up the excess moisture from my face. And through my years of shaving, of course, I've noticed that some of those hairs come off as you're wiping your neck, but it doesn't get them all. And so unless I want to hop in the shower or sit there and pick at them, that's when I came up with, hey, why don't I try a lint roller?
Genius, genius!
So what I do is I actually leave the piece of paper on from last time so it's not collecting dust while it's sitting under the sink unused. And I will use that on my neck first, and then I will rip off that piece of paper and I will use this fresh piece to get off all of the extra stragglers that just will not come off. And it definitely sticks pretty hardcore to your neck. And I found that none of the adhesive sticks at all, and it definitely tugs on your neck, and it'll make it red for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes depending on how sensitive your skin is. But the best part is that your neck is clean.
You're very pretty. Oh gosh, you're like way prettier.
Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. If you found the content useful, make sure you give the video a like, consider subscribing. This is the type of production value I love to have in my videos. If you're wondering, yes, I did put a blue light in my shower, and yes, I was lighting myself. Like I said, that type of production value for all my wonderful viewers out there.
Excellent. Great turnout this year.
Call it a strive for perfection, or maybe it's insecurity, I don't know.
You're like so pretty.
But again, thank you so much for your time. Until next time, love you, friends.